So today I'm going to practically show you in this video how to withdraw money from the Poppo app. And if you are new to this, Poppo app is actually a new platform that you can use to interact and earn money as you perform some tasks. So I'm going to show you how to bind your account and withdraw money practically. I'm going to click on withdraw right here on my app. I'm going to come over. You can see I'll click on withdraw now. I have $10, and you cannot withdraw until you have up to $10. And I started this with zero like nothing at all. So yes, when you click on it, it's going to ask you to withdraw. You are going to choose either USDT or you withdraw to your bank. So this USDT is actually cryptocurrency. So but if you want to withdraw to your normal account, your normal Nigerian account, because I'm a Nigerian, or any other country you are, you click on bank card. Okay, when you click on bind bank card, it's going to like take you to where you are going to add your information. Like, okay, so you are going to submit your information. When I click on submit right here, it's going to like take you to where you are going to add information of your card, because you have to add the information. So here is just your first name you are going to put. Like my own first name now is Ijapari. Your bank account, you are going to tap your normal bank account, and the bank name, my own is GT. So once I've done that, I'll click on submit. But it's now telling me that bind is successful. So now I've connected my account. Is for me to withdraw. I'm going to click on withdraw now. Okay, so when I click on withdraw now, it will ask you, are you sure? I say okay. So when I say okay, they now tell me insufficient. I was like, maybe I get $10. Waiting can't happen. So I now discovered that if you see $10 up, the withdrawal amount is $7. That means I don't have enough. And I say, let me go and hustle more and perform more tasks so that I will get more money. And believe me, in 2 days I hustle more. I now earn up to $32 right here. And I joined this app. This is the 5th day. Okay, so when I click on withdraw now, it's going to show you, see, $34. So I click on withdraw now. That means, as you can see down below, I now understand better that the one down below is $31, but I want to remove $30. So right here, you tap amount that you want to remove, but it cannot be less than $10. So I click on 30. So when I click on 30, okay, I now come over here and submit. So when I submit, they ask you, are you sure? I say yes. So I'm very sure I need my money. So when I click on it, it's successful. And I say, is it that fast? I beg, make I wait and see. Either the money will land in my account. And lo and behold, I receive a message notification. I come and check my message inbox on the Poppo app now. I open it. I say, withdrawal notice. I say okay. They now show me you have initiated a withdrawal request and the system is receiving it. And as I see that one, before you know, I don't read and finish, I see another one enter. Your withdrawal has been issued. Please check whether the funds have arrived into your account, and payment will be automatically confirmed after 2 hours. I say okay, let me check. I now check my alert, my message alert. I did not see. I now run and enter my app, and lo and behold, I saw the money seated down, as you can see right here. That was how I see the money. But I now discovered that actually it is 620 naira per USD. That is how they will send you, and then they charge me some few they charge me like up to like $1, okay. And so but then I discover again that if you withdraw to USDT, that is through Binance, you can exchange it at 680 per dollar to naira. So if you are interested in that, kindly comment USDT Poppo. And yes, I just launched my book. I don't know when you're watching this video, so I will drop a link down below in the description of this video on YouTube, where you can access to get a copy for yourself at 50% discount. Meanwhile, if you watch this video and you are wondering, what is this even Poppo app? What is it all about? Yes, it's a new platform that you can earn by performing simple tasks. I did not put even a dime, and you can see practically I withdrew 30 USD. Even as I am recording this, I discovered I've made 10 USD extra that I can still even withdraw. It is sweet my belly. So thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Drop a very beautiful comment for me. And if you want to learn again on how to withdraw with your USDT account so that you can earn a higher, there's difference about, I think, about up to 60 naira, please comment USDT Poppo so that I can teach you that. Bye.